See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I won't keep running back to you.
What's up, you guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, I partnered with Ashimary to bring you this bob yaki straight unit. I've been itching for the look of a bob without cutting my hair into a bob all over again, and this gave me everything that I needed. All of the specs, all the details are to come in the next few moments, but I just wanted to go ahead and open this video on up and just show y'all the finished look before we get into it. And as y'all could see, they did not miss with this unit. I am absolutely loving it. I'll also be flipping it up in a moment so that y'all can see how that looks as well, but it gives all the spring, all the summer, all the warm weather vibes. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy. The lace is light. The unit is light. And it just gives everything that you want from a bob. So I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. Go ahead and buckle up, and we're about to get all into the details of this unit. First things first, y'all already know we are starting with the unboxing, and Ashimary did not hold back with this one. They sent me over a shopping bag, a robe, and a bonnet, as well as the usual goods that most wig companies do include. But again, they did not come to play. They upgraded the wig band, y'all, with ear cushions to go around it. Your edge brush is there, your bobby pins are there, as well as some lace tape, your lashes, a 3-pack to be exact, and we can't forget the literature and of course the HD wig cap. Now for my foundation, I'm going in on an old silk press, and I'm just going to slick it back how I do when I'm doing a braidless foundation, and put it into ponytails, braid those ponytails down, and then we're going to pin it up to the top of my head. And I have come to love this foundation style because it just gives a flat and seamless look under your wigs.
Here's
another one. Here's another one. Here's another one.
Now that we have our foundation done, let's get into this unit. It is 6 by 4.5 inches across for the lace. It's HD lace, and it's yaki straight as well as glueless with no layers, and 12 inches. Y'all saw the cap construction was very much like that, with combs as well as an adjustable band and a drawstring in the back with some silicone around the banding. Now I'm just doing a lazy wig cap foundation, no ball cap, because I've learned that with closure wigs, the ball cap really is optional. And with closure units, I like to do my sideburns just so that they can lay on the outside of my closure units. And I'm applying that same makeup on the lace as I did on the cap. Like I told y'all in the intro, this unit is super lightweight, which makes it perfect for summertime. Y'all know it'd be too hot to have heavy, long hair, heavy density units on, but this is a perfect one for the warmer weather months. And when I first put it on, I realized that this was made for a middle part, but I knew in my mind that I wanted a side part bob. So I went and tried to play around with it to see if I could get that side part look without having to shift the unit itself. But because I wanted more of a deep side part, I knew that I was going to have to shift it and cut it some. I was not trying to pull the scissors out like that, but it actually ended up being a very smooth process. You'll see that in just a second. And so now I'm just going to go through and mold my part with my wax stick and my hot comb. You're going to see the hot comb is like the second main character in addition to the wig of this video, because it took a lot of molding to get this part to lay. It was very determined to go into a side part, so we had to do some molding. You see I'm pulling out my second HD wig cap to help me in molding it, and while I have that down, I'm gonna go into the base and even it out on either side. And once again, this hair was so light. It was very easy to work with, and it was very easy to cut. Like I didn't have to worry about, you know how some bobs, they can get very thick, especially when trying to cut, and it just seems like you will never get one even layer. I did not have that problem with this unit. A couple of snips and we were good to go. And now I'm just gonna continue laying and molding that part, as well as going in with my tweezers just to open up that part and space some to make it look more natural. Because this is a glueless unit, this step is completely optional, but I'm just going in with my Wig Dealer Glueless melting spray just so that my lace doesn't shift around as much. And then this was my first time using a edge band that had the ear cushions, and let me just say, I hope whoever thought of this has nothing but the best days for the rest of their days. Like, it is a game changer on the ears. And while I'm letting that lace melt down, I'm just continuing to mold down my part, and I realized that I needed to go through and do it in sections in order to get it to really lay down, and it does make a huge difference. Because the next few steps are pretty self-explanatory and you can watch as I talk, I just wanted to highlight a few of my favorite things about this unit and about working with this company. Y'all see it's coming to life and I'm starting to feel it. You cannot put a bob in and not shake it the way I just did. But anyway, Ashimary gives you multiple options for customizing your bob unit. First of all, I love that it starts at just $100, so you can get this in 8 inches. Like if you want a super short blunt bob for $100 flat. Not only that, but they give you the option of adding layers to your unit before it comes. The lace can be customized as far as the sizing, 4x4, 6x4, 13x4, pull and go, or standard. It comes already pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about that. Y'all know we love the units that come and have you doing minimal work, and this is definitely one of those. Like I said, with the warmer weather months, you don't want anything heavy. You don't want anything that's going to have you in the lab too long, working too hard, and this checks all of those boxes. Now that I have my wig band off, I'm just going to go into the front with the wax stick and the hot comb once again, just to give it that lifted look. And then I'm just going to take out a little bit of edges on my parting side and get those laid down how I like them.
Here's another one.
Think I found my strength to finally get up and leave. No more broken heart for me. No more telling your lies to
Here's
me.
another one.
Looking like I got my head on right, so now I see. No more giving you everything. There's no more taking my love from me. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I won't keep running back to you. Glad to wake up every day without you on my brain. No more waiting late up at night. No more having to fuss and fight. Proud to say that I will never make the same mistake. No more thinking about what you do. There's no more me running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you.
If you know, you know, I love a good flip on the ends lately, so I wanted to see what this unit was given flipped up. And after this first one, I was like, girl, you should have left good enough alone. But this is why you got to trust the process. I kept going in and it got better and better, and I'm really glad that I did this variation using this unit because it's always so feminine, so girly, so soft girl. I don't know, I just love the flip ends. It gives it that extra flair. So this is another option of how to wear it.
And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I won't keep running back to you.
Some say the
Again,
X.
proof that you have to trust the process because this is super, super cute. As we're nearing the end of this video, y'all already know all of the information will be listed below, as well as any coupon codes or information on promotions that I can find. And without further ado, let's close this video on out.
So that is all for this tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Be sure to leave some love in the comments below if you did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And it won't be long before we're back with another hair tutorial. And I will see you all in it. Later.
And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. You must be used to me crying.